Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Third puzzle, a binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, December the 5th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary puzzle. It's time for the binary. This one will be number 9706. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. Well, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle, that means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no, double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's, double O's, here one, there one, double O's, here one, there one. Between those comes an 1, between those comes an 1, between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one, double O's, here one, there one, double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Then, let me see. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. That box should be a 1 then. Here we have 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no. Double O's. Here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double ones. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double ones. Here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 2 minutes. We solve it again without comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.